Well, bud, the Audi done. So it seems like this turbo's blown. Compression was all good. It just, you start the car and white smoke just pours out. So with compression being good, no water in the oil, that's my next really best bet. The plugs were all dry and the inside of the turbo soaked. So everything's kind of leading to that, which really just gives me an excuse to do what I wanted to do with this car anyways, and immediately pretty much go like stage 2 or stage 3 with it. So all right, boys, so turbo is pulled. All I did was just unhook the coolant lines from the block, unhook the intercooler pipes, obviously, hot side, and then just honestly pull it right off. It's kind of not as easy said than done or whatever, but not as easy done as said. Okay, old turbo's here, new is here. I took this one, the hot side, off real quick just to get a measurement. When it comes to measuring the hot side, middle of the fan blades, you know, this one's like right at 40, this one's 43. So this one is bigger by about 3 millimeters. But now I have to transfer all these hoses from where they are onto this one, take off this diverter, where's that? Take off the diverter valve and put the new blow-off valve on, stuff like that. So just kind of pulling out parts, getting everything ready. This is gonna be the top side, Beluga Racing cat delete, but these bolts, perfect for that, don't fit through here. My fault. I mean, it's because I'm using OEM downpipe, but that's gonna be a problem already. It looks like ECS sent out all the banjo bolts and stuff, so that was really dope. I guess I'm just gonna kind of match them and put all new hardware, which is really nice. So this will no longer be a part of this car. Beluga Racing test pipe, hooked up to OEM downpipe, fit like a glove really, so 130 bucks I think, not too bad, maybe 180, I don't remember. Fit real good, new hardware. Just put this O2 sensor in and then drop that in. I got all the hoses swapped from the old to new. I'm about to put the new blow-off valve on. Downpipe is in, it's kind of hanging. This is gonna be the hard part, trying to get this gasket to line up later on, but there's just such a mess of stuff that goes here. Kind of makes it difficult to set everything in. It actually took about 3 attempts, but the turbo is sat in. I have one little bolt holding it and the plate on the bottom. Now I'm gonna rotate cold side to where, you know, I kind of feel like it should be, which is like the easiest turbo in the world to rotate. It's just this one little bolt and rotated. Isn't that so crazy? Well, I actually have all of the turbo lines are all hooked up to the block. The hot side of the turbo is bolted. This is where I want it, so I'm about to lock it down. It's worth mentioning that the ECS kit did not come with everything I needed, and I found that extremely aggravating. Like, it came with all new nuts to put like here, but it don't come with studs. Those studs and nuts are like one piece now after all the rust. So, and then the crush washers, it only came with the crush washers for the turbo, not the block, and not the gaskets for the block. So I mean, I think that's super aggravating. That's a $100 turbo installation kit, and it doesn't come with half the stuff you need. So To me, that was super aggravating. I probably could have just went to AutoZone and got everything I needed for cheaper. But so far, everything's going pretty smooth. I just want to get the oil lines hooked up for now and put oil in the car, rotate the engine without it firing to get oil cycled through everything before it first starts. So that's kind of what I'm working on. So I got fresh oil in. I'm just kind of cycling the engine with no fuel, no plugs. Just try to get the oil lines, oiled up and check for leaks out of any lines. So, this area is clean, kind of seeing if anything starts pouring out. All that new burning off. Started pretty good. Still smoking though. Hopefully that's just old stuff. This is kind of what I've been dealing with. I mean, it's like super hard to breathe every time I start the car. Do another little start up here. Starts right up. Trying to get the coolant to kind of flow out. Blow-up valve sounds so good though. They sent me a blown turbo, so I'm contacting them, see what we're gonna do next. It really sucks. I wanted to drive this, but it is what it is. It's just gonna be kind of a fill video. The whole complicating process of turboing an A4 is this pipe. When you have a cat, there's no room to get in, and there's a bolt way down back here that's super hard to get to. Other than that, it'll come off really easy. Probably 30 more minutes and I'll have it out. Literally 10 minutes, turbo's already out. I'm gonna check, see where it was leaking from. I forgot how beautiful this thing is, but new KO4 is on. Same problem. People are saying the valve cover's cracked. That may be it. It's just crazy. We got the new pipes on, down pipe, new KO4. And it looks like I'm gonna be ordering valve covers and stuff. I forgot how good this car looks. Like, it's hard to see on camera, but the car just looks really good. Love it. Definitely aggravated though. So people are saying the other big problem with Audis is a cracked valve cover that would lead to this. So I've ordered a new valve cover, reinforced the bottom with panel bond, did some wrinkle spray on top, which is like 5 horsepower. Cleaning up everything, gonna slap it on, new PVC system. And if that doesn't do it, then I'm kind of at a loss with this car. Might end up kind of giving up on the big turbo Audi build. But hopefully this does it. So, all new valve cover, PVC system. Old one, which is kind of separated. The battery's not too dead, but probably. Yep. Jump box. All right, now we got a jump box. What in the world? See how this goes. So it definitely smoked out at first, but now it's calmed down quite a bit. Still more than I would like to see, but could still be just kind of residue in the system. So it looks like it's still smoking quite a bit. I'm gonna contact my local performance Audi shop and see what they think. It might just be valve seals. I mean, it's not showing signs of anything major, and the compression was good, no water in the oil, so it may be valve seals. I don't know. I'm gonna contact them and see what they would charge to maybe look at it, go through valve seals or head gaskets, kind of go from there. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. Unfortunately, the Audi's not done, but I mean, it still needs S3 injectors, RS4 fuel pump, and a tune. But we just got to get through this nonsense right here first. Let me know what y'all think. Click that like, and I will see y'all in the next one.